Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record bank transfers on QuickBooks accounting software. To record transfers between bank accounts or money accounts, we need to go to Money section and click on Bank Accounts. Here, in my case, I have deposited £500 from my petty cash into my current account. So I can click on Transfer, and this allows me to select from which bank account I have transferred how much. So I have transferred 500, bank date 10th, and description, I will say cash deposit, and click Transfer Money. Now I need to select second half, so that means where I have transferred this money to. From my drop-down list, I will select that I have transferred to my Rita's Bank current and click Confirm Transfer. So now if I go back to my bank accounts, my 845.40 balance have reduced to 345.40, and my 1,405 balance have increased by 1,000 to 1,905. If I click on Rita K current account, I can see that there is this transfer recorded. So in this episode, I showed you how you can record transfer between bank accounts on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.